I tell you, sneaky cat, smash. Sneaky cat, smash.
Hello?
Alright, meeting you at the car show or what?
I don't care.
Alright, well, I'm gonna head over there.
Okay, I'm headed to the house here in a minute.
Alright, well, I'll meet you over there.
Alright.
Race me, bitch.
In what?
I don't know, something.
I don't know. I don't know how I feel about it.
Okay, bye. Oh, stop. I'm not even gonna intro today. Just, if you haven't subscribed, just subscribe. That's all I ask. Oh my gosh. What's up, everybody? So, right now we're headed over to the Crime Stoppers of Amarillo car show. It's over at the convention center downtown. So we went to this one last year, didn't we? Or I did. I don't think you did. We weren't hanging out yet. Not really.
Yeah, we were.
Huh?
I think so.
In September?
Yeah.
It's not even September yet, actually.
Oh.
Yeah, so I went to this car show last year. It's pretty good. It's an indoor one, which is nice. They have a few car shows at this place, which is always nice because you're not outside in the sun baking your balls off. No one wants to be baking their balls off. So, Kevin entered the Demon. I was going to enter my car, but I don't know. I'm lazy and didn't want to wash it. So I didn't enter it, but we're going to drive my car over there in case anyone wants to race after, like Kevin. But Kevin entered the Demon in it. He was going to enter all three cars, but the Charger, he has to send his PCM back to get the tune put back on it. So, as you guys will have saw in his video, so he couldn't enter the Charger, so he just decided just to do one of them, which was the Demon. So the Demon's over there, and it's pretty cool because he dropped off the car last night, so we were able to get a good look at all of the cars that are actually in the car show, and there's some pretty sick ones. So we'll be there in a couple minutes, and we'll show you guys kind of what's going on over there. Some badass cars, of course, some Thunderbirds for Kennedy. She loves the Thunderbirds.
Right.
And then I think we're going to go to the dealership later and look at some vehicles. So the sneaky cat is parked out here by herself. And Kennedy's going to shotgun the bang. Ready? Go. Go. Shotgun it. Come on. Come on. What the heck, man? Weak. And she still hasn't chugged it. Come on.
I'm a sipper.
There's like elevator music playing in here.
Isn't that your favorite music?
Yes. There's your Thunderbird right there, Ken Dog. That's number one. Ooh, that's clean, Jimmy. Not sure what the wing's for, but pretty clean. Oof. This one was here last year, but twin turbo's the old one. Pretty nasty. Guitarmageddon, you were not the first one. Sorry, dude. Different gen, but still. Kennedy is literally just voting for the Thunderbirds. Give someone else a shot, man. Come on, that's not fair.
No.
Alright guys, let's test Kennedy's knowledge. What movie is that car from? Come on.
David.
Are you serious? Alright, comment below if you know it before I say it here. But do you really not know?
No, I
You didn't even see the remake? There's a remake of it.
No.
Starsky and Hutch, man.
Number 31.
What?
Come on down and get your door prize.
Oh,
Danny
man.
Alexander, number 31.
If you guessed Starsky and Hutch, you are correct. I would
Dan
trade
Whipple,
my
number
Hellcat
95.
for
Dan
that right
Whipple,
now.
why don't you whip your way down to the headquarters and pick up your door prize?
Oh, gosh. Look at that, 440 in there.
Do you want me to put this one as your number one?
Yes. Okay, so Kennedy is doing my voting right now. She's gonna vote for the Challenger for number one. I'm a little biased because it's Plum Crazy
Right on
Purple. Just gotta use my tit to write on. 1971 Dodge Challenger.
It's number 23-year-old.
Yep. Alright, are we actually gonna vote for this one? Well, what's class is Kevin in? Special interest, yeah, because there's different classes.
Oh.
Kevin's my special interest. Not because I'm biased, but he's the only one with the crazy, stupid ass rap here. So we'll vote for Kevin's Demon. with them skinnies, girl. Just write on. You should write on the hood. See how many people get mad. No, I'm just kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
I wouldn't.
There's Skylar's vet. Who just did this shadow black wrap on it, and he just redid the headlights too. Looks pretty good. Should we vote for Skylar?
Hey, I'm only here for the Thunderbirds.
Yeah, that's true. Kennedy's biased towards Thunderbirds.
Number 88, Mr. Larry.
Oh, look, my video. See? There's my video right there. This truck's pretty cool.
Amarillo Crime Stoppers 10th Annual Car Show. Thank you so much for making it amazing. I'm about to pull 4 names for door prizes. So listen up for your name. Number 149, Ike Fogel.
That's what you need right there.
Paul Montgomery. Number 97, Jerome Pratt. And number 147, Arthur and Judy Smith.
My hand is bigger than that.
This is the one that was at Caffeine and Cars on Saturday.
No, it was. There's a Mach 1. Little vet. Oh, Kennedy's voting for the vet. She's changed. Kennedy's changed. You're voting for the vet now?
That's nice.
Oh my gosh. That's nice. Look at that color. That color's sick.
They still make cool colors like that.
They're sweet. I'll lock it. Ooh, the interior, damn. That's nice.
I heard a rumor that you were all
That trunk
Harvey.
setup.
Well, why don't you go check out the XP3
Truck
gas
is
diesel
nice.
fuel enhancer?
Look at this. Gosh, this Bel Air is so sick. That's a Restomod, but it's sick. It's got a Whipple on there. Gold badges. Black wheels.
Want me to put this one down for you?
Yep.
What's the number? Does it say 129?
Yep, 129. So I'm voting for this one. I think this shit's badass. Look at the freaking filter coming out of there. Got a Whipple in there. It's got the gold grill. I like the gold Chevy badges. Nice Foose wheels, some Willwood brakes. Really clean. We got the gold exhaust tubes. Alright, Skylar, if you're watching this, is this how you're supposed to tint these windows? This is cringeworthy right here. This is cringeworthy tint. Honestly, I'd probably never tint a classic, but it looks good on this car. Old Dodge van. I don't know where Kennedy went.
I don't even use it.
Badass. There's another Restomod, really nicely done though. Pro charged. Look at this. Oh gosh. Give that for. You might have to put this one instead of the Demon. Switch some spots.
Mark it out.
Another 1970 Dodge Challenger. Look at that. It's like a creamy white. It's kind of hard to pick up in camera, but it's like a creamy white. Oh my gosh. So sick. Alright, so I've picked 4 of my 5 cars so far. How many do you have? 3?
Yeah.
Kennedy only has 3, so she's got to pick 2 more cars. Austin, please respond. Taylor, what's going on, man?
Showing off my mom.
What's up with your cousin over there?
Shelly?
The red one.
Oh, it's a Hot Wheels car. So you know what that means? It's slow as shit.
Alright, so here's Taylor's Mach 1. What's up with the book?
What's on the book, David?
Can I sign somewhere? Is this like a wedding registry? Got the man trans. He can actually shift, unlike Rigo.
Or Austin.
Oof.
The sticker's coming
Look
off.
at that anime, baby.
Fuck off. I'm about to have one flipping people
These are
off.
the only American muscle car guys I know that are into anime. Taylor and his brother.
You know what has 4 wheels and flies?
It's almost as bad as that.
That's right, a garbage truck.
You got Ceramic Pro on this car now? Or are they just giving you these flyers?
Fucking had like 8 flyers.
Really?
Yeah.
Please ceramic coat your car. Okay, so is this a 3 valve or what?
4 valve.
Oh, so you're not the peasant?
No, I'm not a peasant. It's
Okay.
a 99 to 01 Cobra motor.
He's not a peasant.
Yeah, I'm not a peasant.
Just no supercharger.
No supercharger. It's a 99 to 01 Cobra motor. It's a V8 dual overhead cam 32 valve. Full working functional ram air shaker system.
That's pretty cool. Alright, who's faster, you or Austin? Who's a better driver? That's all that matters. You are, obviously. Austin can't drive for shit.
But
I ate a whole entire sandwich while he was switching gears. It's pretty embarrassing.
I could take a nap and get ready for work by the time he gets it going.
Scrub my balls. If the thing ever turns on. This is clean, but it needs a Pro Charger.
Well, my
Or some
plan,
nitrous.
My plan is
Or twin turbo.
once I get done painting it off, my plan is to take the shaker and the ram air off and mount some sort of blower on it and put just the shaker back on top of it and just kind of hide
That'd
it
be cool.
in the.
Okay, those. Alright guys, looks like Joseph has showed up today. Looking good, Joseph. Joseph, what happened to your massive single turbo? You switched to nitrous on this. I like your helmet, Joseph. Looks good. That's fun. Alright, here's my number 5 right here. This is my number 5 right here. She's using my tit to fill out her registry. Using my tits. So you voted for that one? Do you have one more?
Yeah, but I don't have a 5th choice, so.
Did you put all the Thunderbirds on there? Did you put the white one when you entered?
Oh yeah, let's do that one.
You want to do the white one? Kennedy voted for 2 Thunderbirds. Can you vote for 2 Thunderbirds? I guess you can vote for it. This is a neat little setup here. I want to have a picnic. So what are my 5? The purple Challenger, the white Challenger, the Demon, the Nova race car, and the white Bel Air. Those are mine. Yeah. Which ones are yours?
The white Thunderbird, the peach Thunderbird.
What numbers?
I don't remember. What was
Oh,
the Mustang?
Mustang, yeah. The red one.
I don't even know.
I just didn't know what you voted for. Clean little Audi. That's an S5.
like 2 minutes to vote, but we're not.
If anyone knows whose weak ass GTR this is, please comment below. Just kidding, this is a friend of ours. This is GTR. He's got 2 of them actually. And those ad vans. Whew, those are nice. That's awesome. So this is actually one of our buddy Mikey's GTRs. He's got 2 of them. This one's clean. He's got a black one. This is the other one.
And Dina, 162 for Kenny and Dina.
Hungry?
Number 28 for Cody.
Oh my God, there's people in there. Ooh, okay. Put the Eleanor kit on there. Little Pro Charger. It's pretty clean. Another dope Mach 1, 1970. Nice, Cowboy Kev has arrived in the building, famous and shit. Security! Kevin's dragging ass today. What's wrong with you? Need a bang?
Slept like 3 hours.
Bang? Oh, that's right.
Yeah, because you went to bed at 8:30.
Damn! Shots! Same test we gave Kennedy earlier, we're gonna give Kevin. Kevin? What's the movie this car's from? Oh shit.
It's from because they remade it with fucking dumb.
Ben Stiller and Owen Wilson?
I can't remember the actual name though. It's a funny movie.
You gotta say it or you forgot already?
I forgot.
Starsky and Hutch, man. Shoot! 0 for 2.
At least I know words.
So we hope you enjoyed today's. We hope you enjoyed today's vlog of the car show. This is how crazy the weather has just changed on us. Look at this shit.
We were literally eating outside not even 5 minutes ago.
She's going for it! Oh shit! Oh yeah, we drove the Jeep today too. Wanna close out the video?
I'm so cold right now. This is David Van Forest here. We'll see you guys on the next one.
Deuces!
Let's take a selfie.
Driving a Trackhawk in the rain, 101. Good thing we got all-wheel drive, boys! Kevin's gonna be pissed that I still have his Jeep out in this weather, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. This guy wants to run. Ah, shit! There's something on the road. Man, this came out of nowhere. Holy shit. Whoop! Ah! Babe, your seatbelt.
We're right down the street.